Joe, and I'm Dr. Montgummylee. Today we have an elephant. It is bumpy. They can stay underwater for a whole week, and they have a lot of sharp teeth. They are green and scaly, and there's two types of them. One is American and one is Chinese.